Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all. Today we are here with a new chapter of English grammar. The chapter name is comprehension. Comprehension means understanding. In this chapter, we are going to know about comprehension. What is the use of comprehension? Comprehend. Another word is comprehend. Comprehend means to understand, and comprehension means understanding. So in this chapter we will get paragraphs, or we can get stanzas from the poems, and after reading the stanzas or reading the passages, the passage, whatever the passage will be, we will get some questions. Some question will be asked on the basis of passages or on the basis of stanzas of the poem. Understand? And from these paragraphs, from these stanzas, we will find out answer of the questions. Understand? So come on the chapter. The object of comprehension is to test a student's ability to grasp the meaning of a passage accurately, and also his ability to answer questions in a correct and coherent manner. In comprehension, we are checking the ability of students understanding that the student is understanding the passage or not, and we are also checking the ability to give the answer. The student is able to give the answer of the questions or not, on the basis of the paragraphs. After reading the paragraphs, the student is able to give the answer or not. It will check. What will check? Comprehension will check the understanding skill and the ability to answer the question accurately. Understand? In a proper, in a correct and coherent manner. Students, in comprehension, you will get passages or you will get stanzas from the poem, and after reading the stanzas, reading the paragraphs, you will give the answer of the questions. Understand? So first read the stanza, and afterward we will find out the answer of the questions. The questions which are there, we will get answers from the stanza. Understand? Whatever the stanzas are here. First look at the poem. The owl at night, when all is still, the forest sentinel glides silently across the hill and perches in an old pine tree. In this stanza you are getting at night, when everything is still silent, there is darkness all around in the forest. The forest sentinel means guard, protector, one who moves one place to another place to guard the forest. The forest sentinel guard glides silently across the hill. That moves, glides means move silently across the hill, and perches in an old pine tree. And the sentinel, the guard, sits, perches means sits in an old pine tree. A friendly presence his, no harm can come. And because of his friendly presence, there is no harm in the forest. Understand? Because he is the sentinel, he is the protector. Understand? Protector, guard. From night bird on the prowl, because the owl is the sentinel guard of the forest. He is on the move, he is on patrolling, we can say that, on move. He moves silently across the hill and perches in an old pine tree, sits on old pine tree. And afterward there is no harm for other creatures, other birds, because from night bird on the prowl, no harm can come and from night bird on the prowl, and the night birds, the other birds who are in search of their prey, they are in the search of their prey from night bird on the prowl. They are in movement, they are going one place to another place in search of their prey. So come on the question and answer and try to know about the answer of the questions. Understand? First question is, what does the owl do when the darkness of the night envelops the entire scene? The question is that, what does the owl do when the darkness prevailed, darkness of the night envelops the entire scene? Means the forest will be covered with darkness, there will be complete darkness. What does the owl do? Understand? So you know that at night when all is still, the forest sentinel glides silently across the hill and perches in an old pine tree. So you will give the answer, the owl, when you will give the answer that the owl moves silently across the hill and sits an old pine tree when everywhere there is still silence in the forest. Understand? The owl moves in the hill and sits on old pine tree. Understand? When everywhere is silence, complete darkness in the forest. Afterward, the second question is, why does the poet describe the owl as the sentinel of the forest? Why does the poet describes the owl as the sentinel of the forest? Because when everywhere there is silence, when the forest is still, the forest sentinel, the owl, is in motion. He sits in an old pine tree and he looks after the forest and other birds and other creatures, we can say that. Understand? What do you mean by the term prowl? What do you understand by the term prowl? Prowl means movement, roaming one place to another place, going one place to another place in search of a prey. Especially the birds in the night, they go one place to another place in search of a prey. Understand? So in this way you will get paragraphs or stanzas, and after that the questions will be there, and after reading paragraphs, reading stanzas, you will try to comprehend, understand, and afterward you will get the answer from the paragraphs or stanzas and you will write your answers. Thanks for watching the video.